Welcome, my dear followers. Are we ready for a nice recipe? First, add 1 glass of warm water and milk to the bowl. Add 50 milliliters of oil. Separate 2 eggs over the yolk of 1. 5 grams of salt. Add 10 grams of sugar. Add 5 grams of instant yeast. Mix it well. I used a total of 5½ cups of flour. The cup size is 200 milliliters. First add half the flour. Add the remaining flour. Let's knead well with our hands. If this is your first time watching me, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's knead for 4 minutes like this. I took it on the table, so let's do some more kneading. Where are you watching me from? Please write in the comment section. The consistency should be like this. Divide into 2 equal parts. Form a total of 18 equal meringues. Meringue can be big or small. Roll them evenly. Melt 75 grams of butter and add 100 milliliters of oil. Pour it into the bowl with the help of 5 or 6 spoons. Let's get the meringues inside. Lubricate each meringue by doing this. Cover and leave for 20 minutes. I make the stuffing with potatoes. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. 1 medium onion chopped. Dry a little. Add some salt. When the onions were soft, I added some pepper paste. Dry it. No tomato paste smell. I added black pepper flakes and ground pepper. Can be adjusted to your own taste. Add 3 boiled medium potatoes. Let's do it this way. Adjust the amount of salt to your taste. Put the stuffing aside for ready to cool down. I started by taking a meringue. Let's open it by making our hands oily like this. You can open it very easily by doing this way. We add enough residual internal mortar. Cover and roll up. Then we make it like this. Place on tray. I want to show again the unlocking process. Please comment and don't forget to like. Yes, I prepared all the meringues. Leave it like this for 20 minutes. Add some milk to the egg yolk you have separated and mix. Let's put it on. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees. I used sesame and black cumin on it. Cook with control. This tray is cooked. The other is going to cook. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then you can get a great pastry like this. I want to show you inside. Thanks for watching me. Enjoy your meal.